blooper reel, boy.
What's up, Doc?
Oh man. Oh man. Whoopsie. Whoops. Come on.
Hey, buddy. Hey, guys.
And it looks like, oh great.
Ooh, gesundheit. Gesundheit.
Oh, here we go, here we go. What the heck?
Whoa.
What the heck? Is that gonna work? And I just framed around our window here, and it looks really good. Welcome to the garden. Today. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Welcome to the garden. So I hope you get out in the... Whether you're growing in water... I wish I had more of these bee balm. I want to start... Great. So stay tuned if you want to watch plant. Each layer of protection, give your plants. Give it to them. I've heard that the plants you get from... You get some from it. I'm gonna be... It'll get good night. And I let go blah.
King Drooper. King Drooper. King Drooper.
What are you drooping? Oh, he's brave.
Dude, he's a pirate. What do you think?
And even though they are edible, the wildlife... Whoops. Gets 6 or 7 feet tall. What? I do like the flowers, and I actually like looking at the berries. I really enjoy this. Really enjoy it. Oh. 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 My goodness. Oh boy. Gosh, it's too hot. I'm out of here. Holy cow. Or holy duck. Very numerously all along. And they germinated almost immediately. Immediate. Flowers and wildflowers. These are all wild. If we just confederate And you want to labor. We need to be careful. I did a dry river. Ugh. Because the leaves actually taste identical to my agric cookie. Exactly. Just wait it throughout all of this. So I'm just. Yeah. So we part. Thank you for so besides and here's what our seeds look like. Little tiny wheats. These herbs are also mint is pretty easy. Welcome to the garden. Today I'm gonna be sowing so today I encourage you to get out in the garden and start planting some of your spring crops. You can pick out a few of those old roots just for appearance sakes. Normally growing. One exception. Farmers was a bit. One last note is that come winter, there are some areas. I try to find how to. This morning I went around. The uppity. Welcome to the garden. Oh, I got the hell. And I want to try to pick the bluest one to repot into this blue planter. Why does this? Next we'll be uppotting this beautifully fuzzy succulent. Really, guy? We'll put our flowering succulent. I'm not gonna. I'm not sure how to. And apparently these stay. So this is blue. So this is bloomed. So this is now bloomed twice just this spring. Nailed it. And I'll show you how you can rehabilitate even a really old dilapidated. So today we're going to consolidate these and combine them. This seaweed piles up. Seaweed. Today. And now that it's clear down to the pond, we should see the wind blow through the glass. It's kind of too bad. This little bit of whiteness. We should be able to split apart the bulbs. Why can't I say bulbs? Bulbous. I'm gonna be gathering. Look at these tiny little seeds all groped. The idea behind the experiment was to break the logs down into humus. We always want the poil. So I've got most people were. So the two most important things to feed your compost are those I've also added some compost. Some kind of little larva. Ooh, he's pooping on me. Look at him crawl around. Oh my gosh. Whoa, he's really pooping. But they really spread. Really. They really do. Oh, toady moy. Froggy frog, city frog, city. No. Fee, fi, fo, fold. I smell the blood of a tiny toad. There's a good sized snapping turtle. It's a pretty good sized painted turtle out in the boot. I'm so sorry, Mr. Turtle. Sorry about that. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. So sorry. Oh, sorry about that. I'm very sorry, baby bunny. I spoke to the baby bunny. I'm very sorry. It's me, Mario. Hello. The bees love it just the same, though. I just saw one on there. Over on there. I do have a little bit of thinning to do over here, mate. This is the tail end of a head of romaine lettuce. It's kind of a butt head. It's so weird. It's Oh, I just got so wet. Looks like the very hungry caterpillar has been visiting our morning glories. And I'm gonna finish off with just a drizzle of balsamic olive oil. And our cucumber on the other. Just whole. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome to the garden. Today I'm gonna give you a few tips on when to harvest your And my favorite way to do that is with a balloon. Let's try that again. And that is when you're chopped into smaller beets. Which brings us to benefit number, oh god. Now we can, They'll continue to set. Oh God. God. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, did you see the shadow on the plane? Oh no! Oh, that's a good angle there. That is perfect. Whoops. I hope you all enjoyed this walk through the park. As we transition, we got that last batch of pesto. I got in that last bastard. That'll help fuel the flowers. They would grow up and spid. There's a tree up there, squeaking its head off. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Turn up the radio, get out in the garden and give it a grow. So to any new subscribers, this is insane. They are so loud. It's absolutely ridiculous. Oh man. Oh wow. This is amazing. I think I'm going deaf. Oh my gosh. I can barely hear myself. Wow. It really is ridiculously loud. Whoa, what was that? Cicada? Gross. Oh God, please don't sting me. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Oh, please don't sting me. Ow. Yellow jackets. They got me good. Whew. They got my hand real good. Welcome to the garden. Too quiet. Yeah, that looks great. Even if you don't live somewhere, you don't live anywhere, do you? Welcome to the garden. Today I've got an update on our whiskey bottle terrarium. Oh God. Today I've got an update on our whiskey jar terrarium. Whiskey jar, it's a bottle. There's whiskey in the jar. They're just everywhere. Oh, neighbors are super great. Neighbors are so great. How many times can you slam your door a second? Oh, great. Oh, just so great.
But it was just so amazing. Another day, another dollar. Burn my pants.
Don't burn your pants. Maybe give morning glories. Hey, Kathy. So they have a mild recession here. And I'll put two of these together. so that I can fit the tomatoes.
Doing tomatoes?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube videos.